Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Professor Kim. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the mistakes a lot of people make when looking at uptrend and downtrend. So let's look at it. I'm going to start with the uptrend. Uptrend. Got the uptrend here, and as we all know, it's made up of high highs and high lows. So basically we have these rectangles around here. All these rectangles around here. This is the low, first high, high low, high, high low, and then high high. So basically, a lot of people think that when the market is trending upwards, that it cannot break this previous high here. Let's use this as an example. The market came here low, high, high low, high high, and then high low. So a lot of people think that this high low is not supposed to break. It's not supposed to break this high. That if it breaks it to this point, for example, that this is no longer an uptrend, but then that's not true. This is what a lot of people think, but in reality, this is what the market is actually gonna do. Oh, sorry about this. In reality, this is what the market is actually gonna do. We've got the high low, the higher high. The market can come all the way to this point, creates a high low, then go up again, a high high. It can even come here again, a high low, a higher high, a high low, and the higher high. So one thing I want you to understand is, in as much as these markets have not broken the last high low, this is still an uptrend. What do I mean by that? Let me label this for clarification. This is the low. We've got our first high here. Got high low. High. High low. Got a high high here. High low. High high. High low. Got the last one. High high. So as I was explaining, this market, it's possible for it to break this level, this previous high. It can break it, but then that doesn't mean that this is no longer an uptrend. We can say that this is no longer an uptrend the moment this high low is broken. But then as we can see, this high low is higher than the previous high low. You can see same thing here, same thing around here. So in as much as the previous high low is not broken and the new structure formed, then it still remains an uptrend, a very nice one at that. Now the same thing goes for the downtrend, just the inverse of this uptrend explanation. Now let's look at that. So you all know it's made up of low low and low high. So we've got this. Low, high, low, got low high around here, then low. This is what we always expect from the market, but in reality, this is what we are gonna get 70% of the time. Low, low, high, low, high around here. And it continues that way. As we can see, just the inverse of what happened on the uptrend. You can see that this market, it's violated this low right around here and stopped around here, but then it didn't violate the previous low high. Same thing happened around here, this level. It's violated here, came around here. This is still a perfect uptrend in as much as the previous low high is not violated yet, and it continues like that. So let's step down into the charts to see an example of this on the live market. Let's see. Okay. This is gonna be a perfect example for this. Okay. Around here. So as you can see, this is a perfect and clear downtrend in markets. This is the high. It created a low high around here. Now came and formed, sorry, it created a low around here, came and formed a low high, then it came down, forming a low. Now it came up. Watch this, right around this level. Same place, it formed a low high. Came down again, and notice something, it violated this low around here. It violated it, came up from the low high. Same thing happened around here. It came up again. It violated this one right around this level. It's violated it right around this level, came and formed a low high here, of which you can see that this low high is lower than the previous low high, and it continued like that. So this is basically what you get most of the times on the live markets. Let's look for an example for the uptrending markets. Let's see. Where are my charts? Let me just use this one for my example. So we've got a low here, right around here. We've got a low here. But still high right around here. High, low. High, The high low right around here. Now let's mark them out. We've got this high right around here. It's a high low right around here. A high, then a high low. Now let's look at what happened here. We've got a low here, a high low, a high. It violated, the market violated this high right around here, came here, formed a double bottom. As you can see, came here, formed a double bottom, went all the way up, forming a higher high, came and formed a high low, formed a higher high, violated this high right around here, the previous one, formed a high low below, went up. So basically in the market, these are the things that you see most of the times. Notwithstanding, you can still see the perfect one in the market, but then 70% of the time, this is what you get. So thank you for today.